When you need a quick and easy method to extract unique items from a list, you can use any of these three methods. I'll highlight their key features and I'll show you an example using all three methods. So keep watching and let me know the method you use in the comments below. And please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button if you haven't. Thank you. The unique function is fast, easy to use, and dynamic. It updates automatically with new information and can be combined with other Excel functions. This function is currently available in Microsoft 365. Let's see how it works. This is an Excel table with information about product sales. The goal is to extract the unique list of products to cell F3. I copied the header already to save some time. The unique function returns a list of unique items in a list or range. It has three arguments, one required and two optional. And all you need in this example is the first argument. So type unique. Array is the range to extract the unique items, and that's product. When you see the black arrow, click to select the product column. Close the bracket. The unique function is a dynamic array formula, therefore the result will spill to other cells. Press enter. Now we have a list of unique items and the blue border around it shows you the spill range. If you want to edit or delete the formula, it can only be done in the first cell. If you select another cell in the spill area, the formula will be visible in the formula bar, but there's actually no text in the cell. Now, if you want this list sorted, you can nest the unique function in the sort function. The sort function has 4 arguments, and all you need in this example is the first argument. So I'll put the sort function right before the unique function. Sort. The array is the result from the unique function. Close the bracket and hit enter. Now, if new information is added, the list gets sorted automatically. See, easy peasy. Let's move on to the next method. A pivot table is very easy to create, works well with large data sets, and updates with new information when the pivot table is refreshed. It is available in all Excel versions. Let's see how it works. To insert a pivot table, click anywhere in the table, go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. Select existing worksheet, place it in cell H2 and click OK. Now go to the fields list and drag products to rows. A list of all unique products have been created and it has been sorted automatically. You can get rid of grand total with a right mouse click. Select Remove Grand Total. Let's edit the header. And that's it. If you'd like to know more about pivot tables, I'll leave a link to the video in the description box below. Let's move on to the next method. Advanced filter is very easy to use. However, it is not dynamic and does not update automatically. Also, it only allows you to extract to the active sheet. It is available in all Excel versions. Let's see how it works. This list has not been converted into an Excel table. I'll explain why shortly. Click anywhere in the data, go to the Data tab. In the Sort and Filter category, click on Advanced Filter. The dialog box appears. For action, select Copy to another location. The list range is where the items will be extracted. Now this should include the column header, so click inside the bar and select the product column. You don't need the criteria range, so skip. You can specify the destination cell to copy the items here. Click inside the bar and select an empty cell in the active worksheet. If you try to copy it to another worksheet, you get an error message. The last step is to check this box, Unique Records Only. This will ensure that only unique items are copied to the cell. Click OK. Check this out. The format of the header was also copied over. Now to sort this, I'll just right click and select Sort A to Z. Now I'll convert this into a table and we'll see if there's a difference in the way Advanced Filter will extract the unique items. Ctrl T. My data has headers, so that should be checked. Okay. Now click on Advanced Filter. Select Copy to another location. List Range. When you see the black arrow, double click to select the product column including the header. Let's copy right next to the first list. Don't forget to check unique records only. Okay, we have an identical list except for the format. It doesn't copy the format of the table. Now that you've seen the three methods, let's add new information and see how the list gets updated. Check this out. The unique function updated automatically with the new information. The pivot table didn't. However, when I right click on the pivot table and select refresh, the list gets updated. So you must remember to refresh the pivot table to get an updated list. And lastly, for advanced filter, you have to apply the filter all over again to get an updated list, irrespective of whether the data list is a table or not. Now you can use the information for further analysis. That's all for today. I hope you found the tutorial useful. Please leave a comment below and don't forget to share the video, subscribe and give a thumbs up. Bye.